It's NAB 2023. We are in the West Hall with Broadcast Bionics, and I'm joined by Dan. Hello, Dan. How you doing?
Hi, nice to see you.
So, what are we looking at here, Dan?
Well, for the last few years, we've been introducing different products at the show. We started with Caller One, which was a really simple web browser-based talk show system for smaller systems. Camera One, again, same thing with really simple visualization. Bionic Table that we talked about at last year's show. Virtual Rack that we talked about in a video at this show and also at IBC. And what they all had in common was we're seeing all of those just inside a web browser. So something we're showing just a sneak peek of for the first time is some of our customers might recognize this as Bionics Studio, the interface into Bionic Talk Show, Bionic Director, Bionic Social, etc. It looks very like the traditional interface. I can click on things, drag and drop, slide out menus, all the things that we had before. But this is again now running entirely in the browser. So for the very first time across the stand, we don't have any client software running. Everything pops up in a browser, meaning it's compatible with different operating systems, available across different devices. And this is a really exciting part of that move towards the engine behind this being able to be put into the cloud, clients running on any device and any machine. And now, as I say, we have the whole product line from infrastructure in the basement through to studio equipment, really running in a web browser, which is, we know, the workflow and the architecture that customers are looking for.
I was about to ask you, what are the advantages of having a browser-based system?
Yeah, so it means, first of all, not installing clients onto desktops, compatibility with different operating systems. You know, you can run this on your mobile phone or an iPad as well as a PC. Also that ability then for this to be placed at the edge and connect using web native protocols to the cloud or to the core. So if you're call screening from home, for example, then when I answer that call, that audio is coming WebRTC out of the web browser. There's nothing running on this machine, and yet I can talk to callers, I can do everything I could from the studio, and all the protocols are secure and web native all the way down to the edge.
And every user using it is on the same version.
Exactly, yes. And if you've ever tried to update 200 computers, you know, then that's a big benefit for sure. Yeah,
absolutely, cool. And is this, it's not available now, is it? It's a development.
So this is being shown publicly for the first time. This sits on our new Gecko architecture, which is that cloud sort of native kind of back-end architecture that's going to support all of this. So running as microservices, secure, etc. So that is shipping from the show, the Gecko architecture. This is in development now, and we'll go to the first few customers probably over the summer and be widely available. So come back and see us at IBC.
IBC, no doubt, yeah. Where can people find more in the meantime?
The website is just bionic.radio.
Fantastic, Dan. Thank you very much indeed. Do check out that and check out the other videos we've done here on the virtual rack and the table. There's updates on both of those products. And for everything else we're doing at NAB, check out kitplus.com.